YouTube? It's your boy Diamond, man. So I'm showing y'all boys how to get the perfect reverb / the perfect delay, and this is gonna play a big factor into adding like, I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna make a series. Is basically gonna be called like how to add personality to your vocals, and delay and reverb is like one of the ways to also do that, and it's upon a bunch of other things too. But I'm gonna just show y'all, like, this should be like a very short video. It's not really nothing too hard to explain on how to do this. So in FL is built into the plugins. If you like look right, wait, damn, I clicked the wrong plugin, my bad. But if you like come over here to your delay plugin, right, you see it has this tempo sync button. Literally it built into to sync with whatever your BPM is. So you need to have the BPM of your song, make sure it's the correct BPM, and if you need to check to see if it's the correct BPM, you want to come up here and click this. This is called the metronome, and if you have decent enough ears, you should be able to hear like when it hits on time and stuff, right? So I'm gonna play it real quick just to let y'all hear what I'm talking about. You see what I'm saying? It's like every time it's hidden, and you can also, it's a visual thing as well. It's lined up on the grid. Like every point where it gets loud at, like the kick or whatever, it's lined up. Every song is not gonna be lined up, I'm not gonna lie, because some people have the 808s kind of unorthodox on purpose. But that's how you get, like, that's how you know when your song is on BPM. And if your song on BPM, your delay should be fine as long as you use tempo sync. Also, this is how you get perfect reverb. Now, getting perfect reverb and perfect delay, these are two different things. Reverb and delay is two different things. I repeat, they're two different things. Now, you can do some delay shit with your reverb, but I'm telling you, it's better if you have them on two different chains, side chain them, or you could just put them under one preset, but I like the side chain, I'm not gonna lie. So now I'm gonna show you how to get perfect reverb. So it's the same step. You want to make sure you got your BPM, and now what you want to do is you want to come over to this website. Now this website is called Delay and Reverb Calculator by Wave Monopoly. My boy Wave, man, I used to watch his, like, I watch his videos a lot, and like to this day, like, he be putting me on to tips and shit. And as you can see, this delay and reverb time calculator, it gives you the pre-delay and reverb decay time, and it also tells you like how long it lasts, like 2 bars, which is I think from 1 to 3, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, from 1 to 3, that's 2 bars. So your delay it's like how we gonna explain this? So 2 bars, that's like, for one, that's a long delay. That is like you in the fucking Taj Mahal fucking saying some shit, something like that. Like, it's long delay basically. And then you got large room, small room, tight ambience, 8th note and 6th note. I like to use I like to have a lot of reverb in my song. Well, certain songs just fit good with a lot of reverb in it. So what you want to do is you want to take your pre-delay, copy it, come over here to Valhalla. If you have Valhalla, if you don't have Valhalla, I'm gonna leave a discount code inside of the description. All right, a discount code inside of the description, YouTube. And then pre-delay, you want to put the same thing that you just got from the website, 48.08, and your decay is gonna be, you gonna move this dot right here into the front of that 0. So your decay gonna be 30288, and you should get this. This is what your decay gonna be. So if you type it in, it's gonna be like 3.0288. You're gonna get 3.03. It's gonna round it off for you, by the way. So that's why you got this instead of what you typed in. And then boom, you have your delay correct. So now I'm just playing my main vocals. I don't really want to play all the ad-libs and stuff with this. So listen closely. You should be able to. Actually, I'm gonna show you without the delay. Without the delay and reverb, and then with the delay and reverb. So Say that junk get in my feelings. I don't know why I said I can still legit give me a feeling. And I'm steady down there now, you pill my dog to make a killing. Man, what a feeling. If my brother was still here, would it be different? Can't cry, won't shed a tear, that might look at me different. Can't blend it with my peers, maybe my skin different. If I'm plugged inside my ear, they disappearing. Nah, that's with no delay, no reverb, no personality. It's just dry vox. Well, not dry vox, well, mixed vox with auto-tune, and that's it. Now, this is with what I'm gonna say personality. I'm calling this series how to add personality, because this is like really adding personality to your vocals. Now I'm gonna play it with the delay and the reverb on. Say that junk get in my feelings. I don't know why I said I can still legit give me a feeling. And I'm steady down there now, you pill my dog to make a killing. Man, what a feeling. If my brother was still here, would it be different? Can't cry, won't shed a tear, they might look at me different. Can't blend it with my peers, maybe my skin different. If I'm plugged inside my ear, they disappearing. Drum and beat, none of that shit that I be hearing. Be pushing peace, I'm already knowing they not hearing me. Money bring the world around. Now you see how different that sound and how wet that sound. And ignore how my vocals sound right now. Like, I'm not done mixing this completely, but I really just had to show y'all how to make the perfect delay and reverb. And you can tweak like how loud your reverb is, you know. If you side chain it, you can just use this. If you don't side chain it, you can just use this right here, which is the built-in FL knob, and the mix level knob. And yeah, that's it. That's how you do perfect delay and reverb. It's just that simple, to be honest. And make sure you go in the description to get the Valhalla plugin. It's a good reverb plugin. I promise you, you're gonna be using this a lot. You're gonna get addicted to this shit, trust. And appreciate y'all for sticking around. Make sure you like, subscribe, turn on the post notifications. And I'm gonna see y'all boys in the next one. Peace.